Are you searching for a great diffuser for your home? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you all about doTERRA's Roam Diffuser. This diffuser is really cool. I'm going to tell you all about it in just a sec. I'm Mandy Sommers, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, I've been teaching about the power of essential oils for about 10 years now, and I'm really excited to share with you all about this diffuser and why I like using it and some of my favorite features with it. If you're looking for a couple other diffuser options, be sure to check out this playlist because I've got a number of different diffusers in there, sizes, the space that they will cover, things like that. Stick around to the end and you will have the opportunity to grab my free essential oil usage guide with over 100 essential oils and their traditional uses. But before I jump into this video, I always like to ask my community what your favorites are. So what is your favorite diffuser? Go ahead and pop it in the comments below so that our entire community can hear the greater good, like what is your favorite diffuser that you like to use? So the Roam Diffuser is made with natural colored ground stone. Can you see how beautiful this is? Each polished to its ultimate uniqueness with its powerfully built-in rechargeable battery. You guys, this is so exciting that it has a rechargeable battery, and it comes with a charging dock that you set it just directly on, just like that. It's that easy. Okay, so this is a great one to take with you on when you're traveling, or I've even seen people hike with it and put it in their tent, which I think is really funny because it is kind of heavy. We're going to talk about that in just a second. But this Roam Diffuser is unique because it is a bigger diffuser. Typically our portable diffusers tend to be a little bit smaller than this one. I love the rocks in it. If you know me, you know that I am a rock girl. I love rocks of all kinds, and so that's one of the things that I love about this essential oil is it's so beautiful. Now this particular diffuser has a water capacity of 100 milliliters, and it is suggested for a room up to 270 square feet. So it's great for a living room, it's great for a bedroom, things like that. It has continuous operation settings, and so you can go up to 5 hours when it is plugged in and 4 hours when it is just on its own battery. There are a couple different features that you can set it at. You can do 5 minutes on, 5 minutes off, so it's an intermittent one. Or, and that will go up to 8 hours, or you can do just the straight through 4 or 5 hours. Now, another cool thing about this particular diffuser is that it was responsibly created with eco-friendly post-consumer recycled resin. And so that's really cool. I love it that doTERRA is always environmentally conscious. It also has a couple lighting settings. It has, which are right here, I've actually got this on wrong. So these are the settings. It has an ambient white light, a warm, and a cayenne light option. And it also has an automatic safety shutoff. Now, you know that I've talked about a couple of things I love about it. I love the beauty of the rocks. Like, can you just see how beautiful that is? Okay. But I cannot stand how heavy it is. You guys, it's really heavy. It's rock, obviously. And I don't know if there's a trick or not, but it's really hard to get into. Okay, so thankfully I've got strong nails, and you just kind of have to find an edge right there and pry it just a little. Let me just see if I can get this open. Oh my gosh, I just got water all over me, you guys. Okay, this is why it's not my favorite, because I feel like every time I open it, I end up drenched. Probably because I'm having to like turn it over and do all these things to get it. And that time I didn't even turn it over. Maybe it was the good, a pro to that is it does have a really great seal. So when you are traveling, that's awesome because it was sealed in there really good. When you are filling it, you fill it to this line right here. But if you want to clean it, I always just use a paper towel. I like to rub it in there. You can actually pop out the center, give that a good cleanse, just like that. Then I like to take a Q-tip Can you see right in here? And just get that hole in the inside and kind of all the edges with a Q-tip. That's how you clean this diffuser. And then that's it. You fill it up and you pop the lid just like that. Okay, so like I said, it's super cool because it's beautiful. It covers a bigger space than some of our other ones. It's rechargeable, super cool that way. But as you can see, I'm like literally drenched, you guys. My jeans are totally drenched. It's kind of funny because apparently that got tipped over. But that is a pro that it does not leak. Some of the other diffusers, if they tip over, they leak all over everything. Okay, so you made it to the end. Those are the things I love and the things that I'm not in love with this particular diffuser. Be sure to check out some of my other diffuser blend videos. Every Tuesday I put up a diffuser blend video where I share some of my favorite diffuser blend recipes. And if you are ready to get your free essential oil usage guide, go ahead and follow the link in the description below, put your information in, and that usage guide will be sent to your email pretty much instantly. It's pretty cool that way. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you're looking for other diffusers, be sure to check out my other diffuser blend playlists. They should be in the cards and also in the description below. Okay, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye.